Welcome to Educational Hub. If you're a student, researcher, or academic who wants to stay safe, ethical, and ahead in research writing, you're in the right place. Quick question. Are you relying on QuillBot to escape plagiarism checks or AI detection? If yes, pause right there. This might save your research career. Many researchers believe tools like QuillBot are a shortcut to clean, undetectable writing. But here's the truth. Using it can do more harm than good. From unreliable paraphrasing to serious academic risks, these tools often leave clear red flags that modern detection systems can easily catch. On this channel, I've already broken down multiple limitations and risks of using QuillBot for paraphrasing, research papers, theses, or academic articles. Today, I want to make one thing clear. Depending on such tools is not a smart or sustainable research strategy. So before you submit your next document, make sure you understand what these tools don't tell you. Let's dive in and protect your work the right way.
In 2026, you're not limited to just one tool anymore. There are several smarter and more reliable options available that support researchers in refining their writing without compromising academic integrity. These tools help you restructure existing content, improve clarity, and enhance academic language while keeping the original meaning intact. When used correctly, along with proper citations and references, they allow you to polish your work and stay clear of plagiarism concerns. The key is not to hide your sources, but to acknowledge them correctly. Epical paraphrasing combined with accurate citation is what keeps your research credible, acceptable, and future-proof in an era of advanced AI detection systems.
In this video, I'll be reviewing a research support tool that's showing impressive results when it comes to improving academic writing quality and refining AI-assisted drafts. It also helps you responsibly work with existing literature that you plan to include in your research paper. So make sure you watch till the end, because this tool could significantly upgrade the way you edit, paraphrase, and finalize your academic documents. You'll find the access link in the description below. If you want a more hype-style CTA, shorts version, or a formal academic outro, I can rewrite it again. Just say the word. To help you understand things better and feel confident about choosing the right tool, I'm going to walk you through a side-by-side comparison. I've prepared this document using AI assistance, and now I'll take a sample from it and run that text through the paraphrasing feature of QuillBot. This way, you can clearly see how the tool performs and decide for yourself whether it actually meets academic standards. Let's break it down step by step and evaluate the results objectively. Now, this is the paragraph that was rewritten using QuillBot's paraphrasing feature. Next, I'll take the same AI-generated text and refine it using SafeWrite AI. SafeWrite AI is widely regarded as a reliable and credible academic writing tool, especially for improving clarity, originality, and structure in research content. It focuses on responsible paraphrasing and helps researchers align their work with academic integrity standards, even when working with previously published material. This comparison will give you a clearer picture of how different tools perform and which one is more suitable for serious research writing. As you can see, this is the text that I've reworked using SafeWrite AI, and I've saved it in a separate document for clarity. What stands out here is SafeWrite's step-by-step paraphrasing process. It doesn't just rewrite the content blindly. Instead, it clearly shows the final output and highlights the key words and phrases that have been modified from the original text. This makes it easy to track changes and understand how the content has been improved. Another useful feature is that it lets you review suggested synonyms and decide whether you want to keep the original wording or replace it with alternatives. On top of that, with just one click on the humanize option, you can further refine the text to make it sound more natural and reader-friendly. SafeWrite AI also offers multiple writing modes depending on your needs. You can switch between academic, high quality, more human, simplified, formal, or informal styles, which makes it suitable not only for research papers, but also for blogs and other types of content writing. This level of control is what makes it a practical tool for serious writers and researchers. As you can see, there are multiple options available, and you can choose the mode that best matches your writing needs. Now, I'm going to download both files in Microsoft Word format. After that, I'll upload them to Grammarly to check the AI writing indicators and similarity reports. This will allow us to compare the results of both versions, one that was paraphrased using QuillBot and the other refined using SafeWrite AI, so you can clearly see the difference in performance and output quality. Let's review the reports and analyze the results together. Here are the results for the content that was paraphrased using the QuillBot paraphrasing feature. As you can see, resembles AI text is 78%, no AI text patterns found 22%, the AI writing indicator shows a very high AI presence in the document. Now, when we look at the content refined using SafeWrite AI, the similarity and AI indicators are comparatively lower, although reports may still vary depending on the checker and settings used. It's important to remember that AI detection tools can sometimes produce false positives, so results should always be interpreted carefully and alongside academic judgment.
If you want to double-check your document before submission, you can use academic checking tools or institutional systems to review similarity and writing patterns. Some premium academic platforms also include AI pattern detection features that work similarly to institutional tools, helping you review your document before final submission. Ultimately, the goal should always be to improve clarity, originality, and proper citation, rather than trying to trick detection systems. Strong research writing is built on ethical paraphrasing, correct referencing, and clear academic expression. You can find the tool links in the description below. If you need recommendations, guidance, or have questions, feel free to reach out through the website or drop your questions in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep learning.